Hi, Eli with Kencove Farm Fence. Today we're going to talk about tension springs. Tension springs are used on your high tensile wire as a tension gauge or indicator to the amount of tension on your wires. They can also be used as a shock absorber on shorter runs of fence. As you tension your fence with the strainer, it'll compress the body of the tension spring, revealing indicator notches. The first notch shown here is 150 pounds. The second notch is located just inside this spring between the first and second coil. It indicates 250 pounds of tension. 250 pounds is the ideal tension for your high tensile fence. We'll show you how to install strainers on both the heavy duty tension spring as well as the long tug tension spring, as well as insulators that are exclusively compatible with the long tug tension spring that will be used at corner and end terminations. Strainers can be used with both the heavy duty tension spring as well as the long tug tension spring. Insulators will be used on the long tugs if you're using them at a corner or an end. These are not compatible with the heavy duty. You will need the long tug spring. To install these accessories, we'll first need to dismantle our tension spring. Notice we have 2 loop ends and 2 sets of hooks. So begin by just pushing one loop end, which will allow you to grab the hooks and pull it all the way through and slide it out of the other loop. From there, just push the second loop up and remove it from the spring. Now we can proceed to slide the strainer onto the hook end first and into the bend of the spring hook, or seat the curve of the insulator in the bend of the spring hook. With our accessories installed on the spring hook, we can now proceed to compress the hooks and slide them back through the spring body. When you install the second accessory, just make sure it's inserted from the opposite end from the first. The same procedure can be used to install strainers on the heavy-duty tension spring. If you need to remove any accessories, slide one set of hooks past the spring, compress, and then pull back through the inside of the spring. Repeat the process for the second set of hooks.